Brother Barnes, and in Lab 9 in chemistry, we deal with copper oxide. That's one of the chemicals in our lab. And so I want to show you how to obtain the formula mass or weight for copper 2 oxide. We balanced this formula in a prior video. I look on the periodic chart for the mass of copper and oxygen. Anyhow, the first thing I do is I list the elements in the formula, and I list how many of them. There are no subscripts here, so it's understood to be 1. There's 1 copper, and when I look it up on the periodic chart, it is 63.5 grams per mole. Yes, that is correct. And oxygen is 16. So let's add these two together. 5, carry our decimal, 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7, 79.5 grams per mole. Muy bien, very good. That is copper 2 oxide, formula weight.